Hey everybody, it's Sunday. I'm not sure whether this is going to be in this week's video or next week's or whenever, but hey, Sunday, there's tons of paintings everywhere. We're on our way out to go and see a client. It's quite a blustery and windy, rainy day in Stroud. Got 4 more to wrap up. Well, actually, 6 to be honest. What temperature is it? A balmy 6.9 degrees.
Centigrade, that is.
That is centigrade. So, a few more to wrap up. Then we've got to figure out how to load. That should be good for a laugh. Time to cue in the time lapse.
Oh, there you go, it started working. Even the camera doesn't want to work today. Yeah, well, I don't blame it, 'cause it's freezing cold. It's pouring down with rain out there.
I don't like it.
No. The wind's howling. There's a couple of trees knocked down on our way in. Anyway, we have got to rehang from Sunday. It is Tuesday because we had various things we had to do yesterday on another project. So we're going to get all this lot hung up and tidied. Just oh, and our little leak from the other day, where I did a little repair up there. Not blowing my own trumpet, but at the moment there's no water down there, which is always good. Temperature, what is it? Oh, it's a whole balmy 7.1 degrees. Anyway, gonna get some stuff tidied up, make this place look a little better.
Look how rock and roll I am. I'm very excited about my dustbin delivery. Woohoo! So I'm going to replace the one in the pod now, after about 5 years.
Wow, that's some weather right there.
Can you hear that?
I'm not sure if that's hailstones.
Let's go and have a look, mate.
Wow. Oh my goodness.
What?
Right, hold that.
What is going on? You're surely not. You're going to open the door.
I'm going to open the door. Whoa, whoa. What a crazy day. Look at that sky.
Dude, that's like the apocalypse.
It is. Wow.
I can't even see up the hill.
Yeah.
Mad. Stay in
And it
here.
is partial hailstones, look.
Yes.
Bouncing off the bonnet there, look.
Oh yeah. Ah, get off my car.
Right.
Oh, that is ridiculous. Right, so is that one there, is it?
Yeah, let's just grab that one and pop it on.
Which one? Bit small.
That's fine, just pop it up. Done. Right. Well, we're gonna actually see
Oh yeah, look.
the hailstone just sliding down the roof. Wow. That is absolutely bizarre.
Well, we've just been checking for leaks during the downpour. We've discovered another one. Oh, great. And it's gone all over the painting.
Just drying it off. They are pretty good though, pretty hard wearing, so we're not overly worried. It's only if it gets onto the back it can cause a few problems, but on the fronts of these, fine. You can pretty much eat your dinner off one of these.
Aha. Actually, that could make a good video, couldn't it?
Eating a Christmas dinner off it.
Well, that might have to be one day.
Right, what are we up to, buddy?
Right, now we've come back into the warm. Hooray! And I'm going to do some certificates. You can see if you walk over here. To go out to the clients, because we've had a very busy, well, 2 weeks actually. There's quite a few certificates for quite a few paintings, plus valuation letters, plus invoices, so we're going to bang on with that now.
Paperwork over, paperwork done,
Some of it.
paperwork finished.
Yeah, a never-ending stream of paperwork for me.
That's it.
So what we're going to do now then, mate, get the trash out.
Yeah, let's get the rubbish out. Lashings of rain, sleet, hail. Oh, the sun's shining.
So we've had 4 seasons in about 2 hours.
Yeah, I'm sure there's a song about that, isn't there?
What have I got there?
The box.
I hope you got that on film.
I did.
Hey! Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. That's it, off you go, Frosty.
Right, okay.
Right, where are we at? Hasn't warmed up much. 6.9 degrees. Earlier, 7 point something. Right. Just a little bit more tidying up in here, and then we're going to get off. Find a bit of rubbish. Let's go in the bin. And that's it. Right. Oh, there he is. Present for you.
Thanks very much.
It's an empty box.
Merry Christmas.
And a Happy New Year.
Your generosity has no bounds.
That is, it's boundless. Correct.
Your generosity has no end. But to be honest with you, it doesn't seem to have a beginning.
Thank you. It's most generous of you.